Hello my friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to share you how you can speak this language with confidently. Whenever you try to speak, you translate from your native language into English, right? If you are doing the same, translate from your native language into English. So from today onwards, stop doing this thing. Otherwise, you will never be able to speak this language with confidently. If you keep making one common mistake, because I have seen many people are doing this thing. They think if I translate from our native language into English, then I will be able to speak this language with confidently. But my friends, you are totally wrong. You don't do like this, okay? If you want to speak this language confidently, you have to think directly in English. Then you will be able to speak this language. I know initially it will be quite challenging for you, especially for a beginner, especially for a Hindi medium student. But later on you will see, you will be able to speak thinking in English. You will be able to speak by doing this method. Why I am saying like this? Because when I was learning this language, I made this mistake. I used to think if I translate my native language into English, then I will be able to speak this language with confidently. But I was wrong, because I couldn't see much progress while doing this thing. So after struggling a lot, I realized translating in my head was slowing me down and making me nervous. Then I changed my practice method. I started practicing while doing daily activities. Like while cooking, I said, I am preparing lunch. While cleaning, I said, I am cleaning floor. While watching TV, I said, I am going to watch my favorite serial. Instead, I said, I am going to market because I need some veggies. I said, I go market, I buy veggies. In this way, I try to speak small sentences. Then I realized I am able to speak small sentences. Then I started speaking more and more sentences. Then I added more lengthy sentences. Like whenever I used to feed my daughter, on that time I practice. Now I am going to feed my daughter because she doesn't eat herself. So I have to feed my daughter every time, breakfast, lunch, night, every time I have to feed my daughter. After feeding my daughter, I will serve my in-laws, my husband, and I will take my dinner. After taking dinner, I have to clean my kitchen, I have to clean dishes, and after cleaning, I brush my teeth because I have a habit of brushing my teeth 2 times in a day. Then I will go my bed and sleep well. In this way, I inculcated the habit of speaking every time, every single day. I used to practice in my beginning days. Then I am able to speak this language with confidently. Right? If you want to speak without translating, without pausing too much time, so you need to understand why translation is not a good idea. For example, someone asks you a question and you have to answer in English. What exactly you do? Usually you first think in your native language, then translate into English and then respond. So what is happening here? You are delaying too much time. And this extra steps makes you nervous and doubt, right? Makes you slow and makes you doubt whether you are speaking correctly or not. Maybe you sometimes feel unnecessary anxiety, nervousness, right? Because you are unable to speak with confidently. You are taking too much pauses. You are adding too much filler words while speaking in front of anyone. So how you can speak directly in English? So the simple logic. You have to start with small in initially day, in beginning day. You have to start with small. Like you can describe your daily routine and talk to about yourself, whatever you are going to do, and describe things around you. For example, you are sitting in your room, whatever are there surrounding you, just try to describe, like TV, curtain, fan, window, mirror, pen, book, bed. There are many things around you. Just try to describe and at least try to make one sentence while describing things. Like, for example, you are watching a fan. You are seeing a fan. Try to make a sentence. Fan is running. You can see your curtain. Try to make a sentence. My curtain is blue in color. In this way, try to speak small sentences in your beginning days. Then later on, you will drastic difference in your English, because you will be able to speak this language. While speaking small sentences, you will be able to speak this language with confidently. For example, I am sitting on a small chair. There is a big study table in front of me. On the table, I see a red book and a bottle of water. The sun is shining outside the window, and I can hear birds chirping and people talking outside. And I can see a dog is running on the road. In this way, try to speak in your own way. Try to describe surrounding you in your own words. Then you will be able to speak this language. And you will see gradually, you will start thinking in English while doing these things. And this will help you to speak this language with confidently without translating from your native language. And it will help you to speak confidently in any situation. So try to think in English. Anytime, anywhere, try to think in English. Then you will be able to speak this language with confidently. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and do subscribe for more easy tips to learn English in a